My name is Okechukwu Daniel Chibuike from the Department of Electrical Engineering 311. Actually, the reason why I opted to read electrical engineering was because of how I love when it comes to electricity. When I look from my house at the pole, the connections they do there, I really love that. I really want to understand how it works, and also to be part of it and help when it comes to electricity in Nigeria. I want to be part of it because it gives me joy looking at and seeing them doing those work they do. Sometimes when they come to connect some lights and some electricity, I really want to know about it, more of it. And since I entered this school, there's something that have caught my eye really, which is electrical motor and generator. I've been thinking about this issue, looking at the way it is. Most motors and generators used in Nigeria, they are not made in Nigeria, they're always imported. And my goal, which I'm also thinking of, is to be one of the people that will be the first people to build a generator, DC generator in Nigeria for Nigerians to use, and making it affordable for them, even in Nigeria. Thank you.